would you like to learn about my science fair projects?
Why not?
Okay, so my science fair project is how quickly can Smarties dissolve in different types of water temperature. So my hypothesis is that I thought the Smarties will dissolve faster in the warm water than they will in the colder room temperature. And I also think the Smarties will change the color of the water. And let's move on to my variables. The constant variable for all the tests are the same. The things that I will keep the same are I will keep the same color I will keep the same Smarties. I will keep the same container. I will keep the same size of the Smartie. I will keep the same color of the Smartie. And the one thing that will be changed during the process of investigation is the water temperature. And that will be what changes during the process. And I would mostly like to thank my teacher, Mr. Solars, and I would also mostly like to thank my fellow scholars, mostly Mikey, Aiden, Luke, Emily, and Stacy, for helping me along with the project along the way. So when I got my data, I was really surprised because surprisingly the cold water dissolved the fastest, not the warm water. So I thought that was kind of surprising, and so therefore my hypothesis was not supported, but also my hypothesis was supported in a way because the Smarties did affect the color of the water and changed the color of the Smartie. So and also when the Smartie was done dissolving, like fully done dissolving, surprisingly the Smartie kind of created like a layer on top of the water because I think yes because I think it had to do something with the reaction of the Smartie and the reaction of the Smartie and the water mixing together.
I have a question for you. If you could do anything different, like change it, or what would be your future study?
Well, also my future study would be probably to see what is in the materials that make the layer on the water, or I might do something like why did the Smarties dissolve faster in the cold water, not in the warm water? Because usually mints usually the warm water is really hot and boiling, makes it dissolve faster. So,
Okay.
any questions?
No, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.